Mastering paired passage questions on the SAT reading test. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on SAT test strategies. Today, we're diving deep into a particular question type on the reading test: paired passage questions. These can be a bit tricky, but with the right approach, you can conquer them with confidence. On the SAT reading test, you'll often find passages presented in pairs. Following these passages, you'll encounter questions that pertain to one passage, the other, or both. It's those last types of questions, the ones that refer to both passages, that we're focusing on. They require you to synthesize information from both texts and draw connections or contrasts. The SAT uses paired passages to assess your ability to compare and contrast ideas or themes, understand different perspectives on the same topic, synthesize information from two different sources. Remember, it's not just about understanding each passage separately but also understanding the relationship between the two. 1. Read the introductory blurb. Before the passages begin, there's often a short blurb providing context. Don't skip it, it can give valuable insight. 2. Tackle one passage at a time. Before attempting questions that address both passages, answer the questions related to the individual passages first. This helps in gaining a solid understanding of each one. 3. Identify the main idea. For each passage, jot down or mentally note the main idea or theme. This will help when comparing and contrasting. 4. Note relationships and differences. Are the passages in agreement? Are they contrasting? Or are they discussing two different aspects of the same topic? 5. Go back and reference. Don't rely on memory alone. Revisit the passages as needed to confirm your answers. 6. Eliminate obvious wrong answers. Sometimes, the answer choices will include information that's not mentioned or contradicted in the passages. Rule these out first. The best way to get comfortable with paired passage questions is through regular practice. Try to solve a variety of paired passage questions from different topics. With time, you'll become adept at identifying the nuances and relationships between paired passages. Thank you for joining us on this journey into paired passage questions. Remember, understanding the relationship between passages is key. With the right strategies and ample practice, you'll be mastering these questions in no time. Best of luck with your SAT preparation, and see you in the next video.